Well, I'm here at the 2014 International Builders Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, as usual, innovation is the key. So let's take a look. This year, TimberTech's focus is on extending indoor style and personality to the outdoor living experience. So what's new?
The Earthwood Evolutions collection, and it's the new Legacy series. So the Legacy collection is really going to give the accent of the natural hardwoods. That line is going to give you a hand scrape texture on top and give you the variegation throughout the products.
The Earthwoods collection features a protective polymer shell wrapped around the wood composite core.
So what you're able to do is get that strength and density out of that traditional composite, and now you're wrapping that core in a polyethylene-based composite material. Now you can get the fade, stain, scratch and mar resistance, and then also create basically any color and any color palette that you want with that type of technology.
Today's deck allows you to express your personality and taste in a number of ways.
You know, your post design, whether it's a 5x5, a 6x6, or your traditional 4x4, it really accents differently. So you're seeing the options really expand quickly because the design is so important with railing.
There are many infill options too, from aluminum balusters to glass and cable designed to enhance views. Nowadays, deck lighting is an important feature.
They have the 5x5 post cap module that sits right on top of your post. There's an accent light that can go virtually anywhere on your deck. Your in-deck light, which is a round piece that actually goes in the face of the decking. And then also an actual riser light for your stair treads. It is all routed through the rail system. It's all designed to work within the rail system itself. Very complete system, runs off a 100-watt transformer, so you can put up to 30 different lights on a single transformer.
TimberTech is driven by innovation, and that was abundantly clear at this year's exhibit. Boral's Versetta stone features nature-inspired cultured stone set into easily installed panels, 8 inches wide by 3 feet long. Each panel interlocks with the next and is held in place with screws. Overlapping finished corners make installation fast and easy and create a convincing real stone masonry appearance. CertainTeed manufactures a wide range of building products, including siding, roofing, insulation, and wallboard.
So the goal was to basically develop a product that would help neutralize formaldehyde in the home. Formaldehyde is commonly used in adhesives, it's used in binders, so you'll find it in carpets, you'll find it in plywood, you'll find it in a lot of different materials that are naturally used in the construction of a home. Air fresheners, cleaning solvents, a lot of crafts materials, printer inks, they all emit a level of formaldehyde. Over time, that formaldehyde releases into the air.
CertainTeed has developed wallboard that actually scrubs formaldehyde from the air. It's called Air Renew.
It actually captures the formaldehyde, so it no longer really exists in that form. So there is no issue of re-releasing. It essentially is changed in its root form.
Another intelligent building material from CertainTeed is a wall insulation called SmartBat.
There's a spray-applied coating to the facing, and it senses relative humidity changes in your wall cavity, and it opens and closes based upon those changes. In the wintertime, it blocks moisture from entering into the cavity, and in the summertime, it breathes to let moisture escape from the wall cavity. This is important because moisture is the prime component for breeding mold and mildew in your wall.
As we build more energy-efficient homes and increase air tightness, managing moisture in the wall cavity is an important step to help reduce the potential for mold and mildew.
This system behind me is the Apollo system, which is made by CertainTeed, and it is it's solar energy and roofing in one system. So it is built for a new roof or a re-roof situation or new construction. It's flush and integrated into the roof, so people tend to like the look, the aesthetic look of that type of system better. Everybody gets a 30% federal tax credit, and from state to state, there's other rebates that can give you cash back for the system, and that varies anywhere between 10% to 50% of the system cost.
Quickrete is the largest manufacturer of packaged concrete products in the U.S. This year, the buzz is all about making concrete stylish and colorful.
The stains that Quickrete is featuring here at the International Builders Show are our translucent, our penetrating, and our etching stain. These actually penetrate down into the concrete. The first one here, our translucent stain, is a stain that you can see through. You'll be able to see any of the patterns in the concrete, but it'll give it a different color to the surface. The next one is our penetrating stain. So if you have any imperfections on the surface of the concrete, you can mask that by putting a penetrating stain on top of that. And the final one is our etching stain. Put that on it and it will react differently with the different minerals that are in the concrete.
Quickrete's concrete stains can be applied with a garden sprayer or a paint roller. Staining concrete is a popular DIY project. In fact, some homeowners are actually taking up carpet in order to stain the concrete underneath. Next up, an electrical receptacle with a built-in LED guide light called SnapPower.
So what it is the guide light's built completely inside this device, which looks just like the standard outlet cover plate.
The built-in spring-loaded clips on the back of the plate make contact with the terminal screws on the sides of the receptacle. To install, simply set the plate in place and replace the screw. A photoelectric cell turns the light off during daylight hours.
Somewhere between probably 5 and 10 cents a year is what it's going to cost to power this thing year-round if it were on 24/7. The lifetime on the LEDs are estimated to be 25 years.
This year saw the International Builders Show combine with the National Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. Over on the kitchen side, I found the Bosch exhibit and a new kind of cooking appliance.
This is our convection steam oven. You can be doing garlic and onions on the top rack, you can be doing bread pudding on the bottom and asparagus in the middle, and you're not going to have any flavor transfer because you do not have any flavor transfer with steam cooking.
The individual pans are removable for more space. Hafele is a leading worldwide supplier of hardware components that improve the functionality of kitchen cabinets.
So we're showing our Convoy Levito pantry system. We have a door that not only opens but also slides back into a pocket. You'll notice the internal cabinets lighted with LED lighting. When I open the pantry, we have a soft open, so it comes to a gentle open position.
The open design allows easy access from all three sides. This pantry storage system makes everything accessible, front to back and top to bottom. Hafele's base cabinet systems feature innovative swing-out and slide-out mechanisms that make even the most inaccessible corners eminently reachable. This wall cabinet sliding door mechanism glides open smoothly and allows the doors to be perfectly flush when closed. Low-voltage LED interior and under-cabinet lighting abounds, making kitchen cabinets glow inside and out. Looking for more storage? This pop-up countertop unit makes good use of what would otherwise be lost space. Over in the bath area, Moen is making news with its eye-catching shower and tub fixtures.
These are the new Moen tub fillers designed to work with freestanding tubs, which is a growing trend in the marketplace today. A lot of consumers are looking to create a spa-like experience in their bathroom.
This movable trim piece provides easy access to valve controls mounted beneath the floor. And from Marvin Windows and Doors,
we've got this new interior shade system. It's a really wonderful system. The first thing you'll notice is there are no exposed cords or mechanisms. It's built right into the window frame, comes down very easily. It's got a soil-resistant polyester fabric, a wonderful system. You can open it from the bottom up or from the top down. Bring it up like this, comes on down. Now this is a light filtering fabric, but it also comes in an opaque blackout fabric. So like if you have a bedroom and you want it to be really dark, you can get a complete blackout fabric.
These sliding doors also feature an integrated shade system that allows the doors to operate with the shades in either the open or closed position. Jenny Hall is owner, inventor, and marketeer.
So this is Glideware. It eliminates the need to stack your cookware by extending out to you. Hangs your cookware on adjustable hooks for easy access. You can add, remove, 100-pound capacity, clear maple, made in the USA, and installs with only 4 screws. So it extends all your cookware out so you can get to your larger cookware in the back without struggling. You can also hang your coordinating lid right on the pot or pan. Installed now in a pantry, same product, Able to hang all your brooms, mops, hang your handbags for the ladies. It can also be installed in the garage for your sporting goods. So it's an accessible storage solution. It makes your home storage simple.
Well, there you go. Just a few of the many, many, many interesting things at this year's International Builder Show.